This is a very quick video about lesson 9.3. Again, this video is not enough. You have to go back to the book pages for more practice and the PowerPoint. Okay, I will only be explaining how to solve some different ideas, and very quick, very short. These are not all the ideas. There is no reasoning, there is no basic knowledge in this video. Really make sure you solve the book pages questions and the PowerPoint. Okay. Now, starting off with this congruence criteria, we can say that two triangles are congruent. Congruent means they are equal in size. Okay? So we can say that two triangles are congruent if they are one of the four criteria. If they follow the first criteria, it's called side, side, side. Side, 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 basically you have to check both of the triangles. There should be three pairs of equal sides. So as you can see here, the side AB have only one mark. This means that it's equal in size with the side DE. We don't know what's the size, what's exactly the measure of this side, but we know that they are equal because they have one mark. So side AB is equal or congruent. This is how we write congruent. It's basically equal to side DE. And also, since we have here two marks and here two marks, the side BC equal to DF. So BC is congruent to DF. And lastly, we have these three marks and here three marks. So the side AC is congruent to FE. Okay? Since we have three pairs of equal sides, they are side, side, side. Then they follow side, side, side congruence criteria, which means that the triangles ABC is congruent to the triangle DEF. They are congruent. That's it. This is how we show that they are congruent or not. Now, moving to the other triangle, make sure that you have equal sides from this triangle to that triangle and so on. So moving to the other triangle here we have again two set of triangles. As you can see, this side is equal to this side, so LM is congruent to PN. Okay, and then we have this side is equal to this side, so MN is congruent to PL, and there should be another third side. Two sides are not enough. The rule is called SSS, three sets of sides. The third side, as you can see, this is a shared side among the two triangles. So the triangle on top have this side and the triangle down have also this side. So it's definitely equal in both triangles. So the third side, LN, it's congruent to itself, or it means that it's shared. So definitely it's congruent. Okay, so that's the third side. Okay, since I have three set of sides, then these two triangles, they follow side, side, side criteria or rule. Therefore, the two triangles on top and down are congruent or are equal to it themselves, or they are exactly the same size. So the triangle LMN, which is this triangle on top, is congruent to the triangle LNP. That's it. So they are congruent. That's it. Now let's do this example. On the other, so it's not always clearly shown that the sides are equal. Sometimes there's a shared side. Okay, this triangle, they said that you have here this side equal to this side, DF is equal to RP, and they also said that EF is equal to RQ. Is congruent to RQ. Okay, but that's not enough, and there is no shared sides. So the third side, this one, they did not say that they are congruent. I cannot assume. So I only have two set of sides that are equal. Can I say that these two triangles are congruent? No. So I cannot say that they are congruent. They are not. We don't know if they are, or basically it's not enough to say they are congruent or not. So there is no enough information. No enough information. So there's a missing side. DE should be congruent to PQ. This information is missing. That's a missing information. They did not say it. If they said that they are equal, then they will be congruent triangles, okay? But they did not say, so I cannot assume that they are congruent yet. Okay, here we have a missing information. That's it. So that was the first idea, the first congruence theory, SSS. The other idea is SAS, side, and the angle must be in between. So let's take, for example, these are two triangles. We want to show that they are congruent. The rule says there should be either SSS or SAS. So let's see. Here we have one side equal to this side. So AB congruent to DF. This is how we show that they are congruent. You have to list down the matching sides. BC congruent to EF. And we don't have a third side. We have an angle. So BC is equal to EF. The third criteria is basically the angle at B is congruent. They said it, not me. I'm not assuming anything. Congruent to angle F. Okay? Because they have one mark. Okay? Since I have side and another side and the angle is between them, it's included. So as you can see, it's between the sides. It's directly inside the two sides. Okay? It should be between them. So here we have the rule of side, angle, side, and make sure that the angle is between is applied, then the two triangles are congruent. Okay? Now looking at this example, here we have, of course, two sides are equal to each other. We have this side, ML is congruent to LJ, and then we have this side, KL is congruent to LN, but they did not say if these two sides are equal, so I can't assume. Guess what? There is no missing information. It's not missing. These two angles, they are vertical angles because they came out of two intersecting lines, so they are equal to each other. This angle at L and this angle also at L, MLN, is equal to KLJ. So MLN is also equal to KLJ. What's the reason? Because they are vertical, and you have to specify the reason. Okay? Now I have side, and the angle is included, which means that it's in between. The angle is between the two sides. Okay? Therefore, it follows side, angle, side, the angle must be included. Rule, then these two triangles are congruent. That's it. Very easy, very simple. Now here we have only this side equal to this side. BA is congruent to DE, and this angle is equal to this angle. Angle A is congruent to angle D. I can't tell that this side is equal to this side. That's a missing information. Okay, so in this case they are not shared sides. I can't say anything about them. So here we have a missing information. We can't say that they are congruent because there's a missing information. We cannot say that they are congruent. We cannot say that they are not congruent. Okay, we don't know. There's a missing information. What's the missing information? AC is supposed to be congruent to FD. So if they said that these are congruent, then they will be congruent. Otherwise, there's a missing information. Okay? They will be congruent following which rule? And side, angle included, side. So side, angle, side. Okay? If I want to say that they are congruent using side rule, then also this side must equal to that side. I'm gonna have two missing information, this side and this side, okay? Anyways, now looking at these two triangles, this triangle, we have this side, and the angle is included. So we have two set of equal sides, the green ones, again two set of equal sides, the blue ones, and the angle here, it's included, but here it's outside, it's not included, it should be here. So are they congruent? They are not congruent. Why? Because the angle should be at D, not at angle F. Here it's not included, so it doesn't follow side angle side rule. Here it follows, but here it does not follow side angle side rule. Here it follows. Okay, that's it. So we're done with the first lesson. Now I will go directly to the other lesson, which is 9.4, applying AAS and ASA rule. Now angle side angle, again I want to show that these two triangles are congruent. How? Following angle side angle, same as before, but now we have the side included, so there should be angle and a side included, and then another angle. So looking at these two triangles, I have two set of angles. This angle equal to this angle. Angle J is equal or congruent to angle M. Good. Angle K that has a double line is congruent to angle N that has also a double line. Perfect. And which side should be congruent? The side that is in between of the two angles, between them, and it is. They showed me that it is. Okay. So angle side JK is congruent to MN. Okay, so it's an angle, angle, another angle, and there's a side that is included. Included means it's between the angles, so it follows angle side angle rule. So they are congruent, they are equal in size. Now looking at here I have this angle, angle K, is congruent to angle O, and also angle J, double lined, is congruent to angle N. Angle J is congruent to angle N. But I can't tell yet that they are congruent because I have only two angles. I should have another side. So to have another side and to follow angle side angle rule, I should have a side, there's a missing side, that is included. So which side exactly? This side. So this side is a missing information. This side and this side, they must be equal to each other because it's the only side that is included between the angles. So there's a missing information where side NO must be congruent to KJ to say that these two triangles are congruent and to follow ASA rule. Otherwise, I can't tell yet. There's a missing information. I cannot tell. There's only two information. The third one is missing. So I cannot judge yet that they are congruent or not. Okay? Now, finally, last idea is angle, angle, side. So again, two angles, but the side is what? It's not included. So not the side between them, any other side. Okay? So let's take a look here. Here again, as you can see, we have this angle, double lined, is equal to this angle, V with Y, okay? And we have this angle, U, is equal to X, one line, U with angle X. And the side, is it between them? Can you see the side between them is not marked? So they chose another side, not included. Not included between the angles, not between them, X and Y, okay? So in this case, I have a side, but guess what? It's not included. So the side VW is congruent to the side YZ, they said it. So we have a side that is not included. Therefore, the rule is called what? angle, angle, and the side is not between, it's somewhere else, other side. Okay, so therefore they are congruent. Okay, so the rule says if the side is also outside, it's not between them, still they are also congruent. Cool. Okay, so let's take a look here. Here again we have matching side. They said that this side is equal to this side, xy is equal or congruent to yz, and they said that this angle w is congruent to angle A, but I cannot say yet that there is a missing information. Guess what? These are two intersecting lines. So this angle, double lined, is equal to this angle. So because they are vertical. So angle WYX, which is angle Y but from this side, is congruent to angle ZYA. So which is basically this angle. Okay. Why? Because they are vertical. They are vertical. So that's the third angle. Now let's see which rule is it following. So we have two angles and the side is where? Is it between the two angles? This is between them. Is it between them? No, it's outside. Is it between them? No, it's outside. Therefore, it follows angle, angle, side not included. Sorry, that's a side. No, wait 1 second. That's the angle, that's another angle, and that's the side that is not included between the angles. Make sure if it's included or not. If it was included, it will follow angle, side, angle. If it was not included, yani outside, not between the angles, then it follows angle, angle, side, not included. In this case, it's not included. So it follows which rule? Angle, angle, side, and the two triangles are congruent. Okay. Now lastly, finally, we have these two triangles. This side is equal to this side. So MN is congruent to TU. And they told us that this angle O is congruent to angle V. And that's it. Can I say that the two triangles are congruent? No, because I only have two information. There is no vertical angles, there is no shared side, there is nothing. Okay, so therefore, and it does not follow side, 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 doesn't follow side, angle, side, angle, side, angle, angle. It should follow any of these. It doesn't follow any of them because I only have two information. I should have three. Okay. What other information I should have in order to be congruent? Now in side, side, side rule, also these sides must be equal. So I will have two missing information. I can name them out and say that if these were congruent in this way, then it will follow side, side, side rule. Now if I want to do it inside angle side, so side and another side and an angle between them. This side is there, and maybe this side must be equal to each other. And which angle? Of course not the V and O. It's not gonna work. Angle T and angle M must be equal. So again, I'm gonna have two missing information. But still, it can work. Okay? Now in angle, side, angle, I need to have two angles and the side between them. This is the first angle, they gave it to me. Suppose that this is the other angle, N and U. Okay? And which side should be there? Not this one, not the blue one. It should be another side. It should be between them. So I will have another two missing information. Lastly, in angle, angle, side rule, again, I need an angle. They already gave it to me. Another angle. Let's say this one and this one. And the side shouldn't be between them. Should be outside. They already gave it to me. So I'm going to have only one missing information. So all the rules I can suggest for information that they should give me, but all of them, there is two missing information. Only angle, angle, side, there is only one missing information. Okay, that's it. This is not enough for these two lessons. You still have to practice from the book and the PowerPoint. Good luck. Thank you.